My name is Michele Gentile and I'm from New Jersey.
My name is Tariq and I'm from Wilmington, North Carolina.
My name is Ricky. I'm from Ridgewood, Queens.
My name is Kyle Savageau and I'm from Hubbard, Oregon.
Minaj Battle and I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
My name is Alexander Alston and I'm from Mandan, North Dakota.
My name is Mark Yakin. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
My name is Lisa Cantrell and I'm from Inman, South Carolina.
My name is Kaim Purdy. I'm from Philadelphia, PA.
I came here to Detail King to improve my detail skills, and I want to improve how to get the scratches out of the cars. And right now we are doing all kinds of theory things, and it's very informative and I like it so far. You guys are really great and very professional, and I'm happy to be here.
Came in here to get more knowledge about the detailing, auto detailing, the interior, exterior, get it running and get it to the next level.
Just to know about the detail aspect of the business and to learn the business.
To grow my business, I'm opening up a fixed location detail shop and just get more customers.
Well, I'm starting a mobile detailing business, and I think that this would be the best place to receive the training that you guys give.
Become more efficient and learn how to run a business.
To try to polish my skills as like a detailer and to just hopefully one day open my own mobile detail business.
Well, I took a job selling chemicals and supplies to people that detail, and I don't know how to detail a car. So I thought that it would help me to be a better salesperson and to help my customers if I could understand what it is that they need.
I wanted to learn a lot more about the detailing, you know, some things that I was doing that I've learned today that I shouldn't have been doing. So this today was definitely a beneficial moment.
It's fantastic. I mean, right now, the short time that we are having here, there's so much information coming towards you that it opens your mind. It makes you think outside the box. There are all business opportunities that are out there, and I like it. Really good. I'm happy to be here.
Excellent. Everything is good. Everybody friendly here. I enjoy it. I really enjoyed it.
Very knowledgeable so far.
It's very encouraging, and it's good to learn all that marketing stuff and be able to fill up my bays when they're open.
Amazing, amazing, truly amazing. I'm overwhelmed, but I love it so much. I'm excited.
So far it's greatly exceeded my expectations. I've learned a lot more than I thought I could. Knowledge is power, so that's why I'm here today.
Just a broad range of just things that I didn't know as far as like the business sense of it goes. I think that yeah, very, very, very professional.
One thing that was our goal was to try to grow our business, and so the information that we're receiving so far on this first day is really beneficial in learning how to market and grow business.
Fantastic. I learned a lot. Good steps, good teachers, everybody's nice, and I learned how to prep the car correctly and some easy steps how to make it more shiny, and very good informational.
It's great, and we learned a lot today. We learned how to wash the car probably from the beginning, how to use the clay bar, how to detail the engine, clean the engine. And after that, we got to learn how to use the compound, the polish, and wax. And it was great, and I really enjoyed it.
Training was the most important thing for me because I didn't know how to use a buffer or a polisher. So now that I know how to use the polisher and the buffer, you know, the hands-on really helps you a lot and understand what you're really doing.
I think I learned a lot. It's going to save me a lot of time, and the products worked really quickly.
I thought it was very, very informational. I think it was very helpful, and I'll be able to use the techniques and the things that I learned in my own business. So, very good.
Today we learned how to properly clay a vehicle, how to wash the vehicle, and all the proper procedures and steps. Hands-on training with the Roops and the Flex. Normally I use a quarter cable, but it was kind of nice learning the steps on other machines.
I thought their process was very, very informative, and I've never used some of those products, like before. And the buffer was a mind-blowing type of, experience for me, because all I'm used to is just one single type of buffer. So their process and chemicals and everything was just great.
Actually, I thought it was very good. Like I said before, I am selling chemicals and supplies, and so being able to come in here, and it just really gave me a better understanding of the how everything works. I got to use a buffer or polisher and different stuff like that. So, and then just seeing, like I said, the way everything works, it's going to make me better.
Beautiful, especially the buffing. I learned, with the different pads, the different waxes, and because some of the waxes I was using for the wrong thing. So I definitely learned something that helps out.
I love it because it's a hands-on training, and this is what I love about. There is not too much theory. It's really getting your hands dirty and learning how to do the right detailing, the right process, how to do it right, and to make the car look really good.
It was really good. I learned a lot today, and I have more confidence to do the work now. I'm not scared of the compound, all the steps, the polish. I learned all of them, and I'm really confident about it now.
Hands-on training for Saturday and Sunday, they were very beneficial. Coming from a up-and-coming detailer, so when you're starting a business, it's very hands-on, very good, very knowledgeable, and the staff is great.
I learned a lot. Definitely learned some procedures that are going to make my process go much faster. I liked it.
It was good. It was amazing. I learned a lot.
The hands-on training on Saturday and Sunday was very good. I learned a lot more than I thought I knew. So one thing, no matter how much you think you know, you're always going to learn more.
Thought it was very, 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 very good. As much as you think that you know how to wash and actual detail like a car, there's a million more things to learn after that, and the staff was extremely, extremely helpful.
I had never done this before, so it was really good getting in there and getting my hands dirty. Like I said, very hands-on. It was really, really informative.
Great, terrific. It showed me a lot of things that I didn't know that I thought I knew. A lot of detailed steps, so it was good.
Definitely, I would recommend you guys.
Yes, no doubt, absolutely.
I would recommend you guys 150%.
I would recommend it, especially if you're looking to take your shop up to the next level, take your marketing to the next level, and just make some more money.
100%.
Absolutely.
Of course, 110%. If you're looking to take your career or your detailing skill to the next level, this is the place to be.
I would. It was really, the important thing is teaching us, and that's what they all did. The instructors were very great, going around and helping, giving suggestions, pointing out things that we missed and we needed to go back and do. But like I said, it was all about learning. And so I would recommend it to anybody that is thinking about doing it.
Definitely.